Most people think you need to win the lottery or earn a six-figure salary to get rich. But here's the truth, wealth doesn't come from luck, it comes from habits. In this video, I'm going to share 10 smart money habits that the rich follow, and that you can start today, no matter how much you earn. Before you pay rent, buy food, or even grab that coffee, pay yourself first. Put at least 10% of your income into savings or investments. Think of it as paying your future self. Habit 2. Live below your means. Wealthy people don't always look rich. They live below their means, cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on growth instead of showing off. Remember, real wealth is silent. Habit 3. Invest early, invest often. Money in the bank loses value due to inflation. But when you invest, your money grows. The earlier you start, the more compound interest multiplies your wealth. Even small amounts matter. Habit 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but most consumer debt is a trap. Don't use credit cards to buy things you can't afford. Use debt only when it creates income or builds assets. Habit 5. Multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Don't depend only on your salary. Build side hustles, investments, or passive income sources so money flows in from different directions. Habit 6. Track every dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. Wealthy people track every dollar, income, expenses, investments. A simple budget reveals where money leaks, and once you see it, you can fix it. Habit 7. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can destroy savings. The rich protect themselves with an emergency fund, usually 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Habit 8. Network with the right people. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire, teach, and challenge you. Rich people spend time with others who are financially smart, not negative spenders. Habit 9. Keep learning about money. Financial education never ends. Books, podcasts, courses, and YouTube videos expand your knowledge. The more you understand money, the better decisions you make, and the richer you get. Habit 10. Be patient and consistent. Wealth doesn't come overnight. It's built slowly through consistent habits. Saving, investing, learning, and growing over years. The rich know patience is the secret weapon for long-term wealth. So those are 10 smart money habits that can transform your financial future. Start with 1 or 2 today, build momentum, and in a few years, you'll thank yourself. Which habit will you start right now? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical money tips.